Namaskar, welcome to Exercise Explained. In this video, I would be doing question number 12, question number 13 and question number 14 of exercise 7C, Reflection of Light, ICSE 9th Physics. So the previous questions have been done in the previous videos, the link for which will be provided in the description below. Do check them out, and if you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. So for understanding these problems, it's very important for us to understand sign convention. I have explained sign convention in a separate video, the link for which will also be there in the description below. Do check that out if you have not seen that by now. So coming to the 12th question, let us understand the 12th question. The image formed by a convex mirror, it is given as a convex mirror here, is of the size 1/3 the size of the object. That means the image is smaller than the object. How are U and V related? So we will consider the object to be let's say X. So the size of the object, let it be X. Now here what is given is the image is 1/3 the size of the object. That means, can I write the image as x by 3? 1 by 3 into x gives us x by 3. And since it is a convex mirror always produces virtual and erect image. So there is no chance of negative sign here. It will be x by 3 only. We need to find how are U and V related. So we know the magnification formula, that is M is equal to minus V divided by U is equal to I divided by O. Now what we can do here is I do not need the magnification as such. So I can actually erase the magnification part. This is not required. So I'll be only dealing with this. So let us put the values. So I happens to be x by 3 divided by O happens to be x. Now here the 3 comes to the denominator and we get it as x divided by 3 into x. X and x cancels. We get it here as 1 divided by 3. Now minus V is equal to minus V by U is equal to 1 by 3. So here minus V divided by U is equal to 1 by 3. So we can actually write minus V is equal to 1 by 3 and U comes to this side U. If we multiply the entire equation by minus 1, we get it as V is equal to minus 1 by 3 U. So this is how V and U are related. Or there's one more way of doing it. So that's going to be, if I take all these things to the other side, so let's get an equation. So this is, let's call it as equation 1. So equation 1 is one of the answers. Now if we transfer 3 to the other side, what do we get here? We get 3V is equal to minus U. If I again multiply the entire equation by minus 1, I get U is equal to minus 3V. So that is equation 2. So these are the two ways how we can relate U and V. You can either leave it here or you can leave it here. It is totally up to your choice. Both are accepted by the teachers. So let us get into the next question, that happens to be question number 13. The erect image. Now see, when they come to concave mirror, they will specify, because concave mirror can produce erect image also, or it can produce inverted image also. is of size double the size of object. So here the image is double the size of the object. How are U and V related? So it's very similar to the previous one. So here again, object size, we consider it as X. Image size is double the size of the object. That means it's going to be 2x. And since it is an erect image, we don't need to add any minus sign. It's going to be plus only. So we have it at plus x. So I again write the same formula that comes from the magnification formula, that is minus v by u is equal to I divided by O. So we just write it like this, minus v by u, and substitute the values here. So I happens to be 2x divided by O happens to be x. X and x cancels. U goes to the other side and we get minus v is equal to u. I multiply everything by minus 1. So we get this as v is equal to minus u. One second. Yeah, so I have done a small mistake here. The mistake happens to be this. I forgot this 2 here. I forgot to write this 2. So what would happen here is 2 into u would give me 2u, and v will be equal to minus 2u. So this is how v and u are related. Or if you want to get v in terms of u, we will take this 2 to the other side. So we get minus u is equal to v by 2, or u is equal to minus v divided by 2. So these are the two possible things. Let's call it as equation 1, and this is going to be equation 2. So getting into the next question, that is the last question for this entire video. The magnification for a mirror is minus 3. So m is given as minus 3. How are u and v related? Now I would write the formula for that. M is equal to minus v by u. So we can write minus 3 is equal to minus v divided by u. Minus and minus cancels. So we can straight away tell v is equal to 3 into u, or u is equal to v divided by 3. So these are the two options. Hope you guys have liked the video. Do share it with your friends. This completes this particular exercise, that is exercise 7C. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Dhanyavad.